culture of man. Okay. Yeah. What jealousy can do. Yeah. Man, a lot of people are a lot of people are na jealousy destroy a lot of people today. Jealousy destroy a lot of people. Jealousy destroy a lot of dreams. Jealousy destroy a lot of marriages. Jealousy destroy a lot of talent. But you don't know. But you don't know. Enwelu ways yes we ma na either your colleague, either your neighbor, either your friend do jealous of you. A lot of people are malo. A lot of people are malo. You got na? Masego get share na your dreams or your idea with people. You got na? What are friends for? What are brothers for? What are relatives for? If we cannot share our idea with them and they take maybe a little of their input, you never can tell. After all, also, so many people achieve with their dreams today because now share a little idea with people. You never can tell where the perfection of that idea will come from. Yes, I greet you. You never can tell where the helper can come from. We only start regretting sharing our thoughts with people when they disappoint us. Or the very bad. A lot of men none at their early graves today because of jealousy. Look, let me tell you something. Somebody who is jealous of you can never stop being jealous of you. In case if you don't know. If you think you can ever change somebody who is jealous of you, you can never. There are so many enemies in Welu today, but they are not jealous of you. I hope you know. I want us to differentiate. In fact, I will even advise you to be, instead of Iyano, closer with a friend, a colleague, a brother or sister, is sensible not to jealous of you. Instead of Iyano, closer to that person, stay closer to your enemy. There are more chances of you surviving with your enemy than surviving with a jealous friend, a jealous brother, sister, or relative or associate. Carelessness. Carelessness is born a lot of people. Only do jealous of you can never, in fact, that person will stop at nothing. I repeat, that person will stop at nothing to see you go down. Yes. Only do jealous of you will stop at nothing to see you go down. Go and ask questions. Or try out na number 1. Try out na number 2. Try out na number 3. Try out na number 4. Try out na number 5. Try out up to number 10. Wolona no for see for ye mega also. Nya no nwere ike all the master plans only at that particular time to bring you down or exhaust to go hancha niile. The person will lie low. The person will wait. The person will stay by the corner. Or another opportunity that we call. As soon as that opportunity call, bam! The end is just for you to go down. If you think you can cope with a jealous colleague, you can cope with a jealous friend, you can stay close to these people, thinking that no, I can manage. My friend, you are a joker. You are playing with yourself. You are playing with your life. You are playing with your career. You are playing with your business. Yes. You don't even love yourself more. You don't love yourself more. I'll give you one instance. And I have to tell you that somebody too jealous of you can never even admit not to jealous of you. Yes. That person can never admit not to jealous of you. And sometimes some of them are the man had to jealous of you. You know what? Sometimes some of them are the man to jealous of you. Yeah. In fact, man ife na-eme ha ka ha amaghọ. The jealousy na-adụ ka a virus. Jealousy na-adụ ka a virus. O eat deep into somebody. That person na-eme ka onye mmanya na-egbu. That person na-eme ka onye mmanya na-egbu. Yes. Even when you ekwu ife ahụ na the reason pattern na so many careers as succeed today is because of element. 1, 2, 3 people who are jealous of you. They are intimidated. They feel intimidated. They don't feel happy when they see you happy. They don't want you to progress because of fear of the unknown. They don't want you to progress because, in fact, do you know that now some people do jealous of you even when you have nothing? Only because they have seen something in you which you haven't seen. The reason in Jiwekwifa is that be careful of those people who always advise you. Some advices may come because of jealousy and you will not know. When you take such advices, a dream ado buried. I'm telling you for the fact. When you take that advice, a marriage end there. When you take that advice, journey supposedly lead to somewhere end there. You will not know that no one has to jealous of you if you don't listen to this program now. If you don't listen to this program now. Yes. Experience in this life. Listen to people with diverse experience. Don't even look at age. Don't even look at age. What doesn't kill you will make you stronger. Or at the end of the day, you will do stronger. You can actually learn from other people's mistake. Jealousy do more bad than cancer. Like I said, be close to your friend, your enemy. Your enemy who something necessary go na. Onwere ike ọwụrụ n'ime biri ife. Onwere ike ọwụrụ na onwe something n'ime rie na-ewe iwe. It ends with ife ahụ na-ewe iwe. Yes, amana the way people see react to something na do different. But I can tell you that only 30% of reactions people will end up in a bad way. Wo because of ntunya si react. 70% onya act based on jealousy. Your 15 years friend can be jealous of you. You will not know. Or natural boss ye may something. Go wage de something aka we make if any naturally mean. Obluna gonna a friend they gonna we go 10, 15, 20 years. No problem. Will blow you out of proportion. Make it an option of peace. Or disappear at all. Anything that will result to peace. Or that person has never been your friend. Or rather, that person has been your friend, but that person is jealous of you. You just didn't notice. Yes. Opportunity on a shop with a call. And they all utilize it very well. It is only you who is still swimming in that illusion that this person will your friend. On a program this might be a continuation of that program, but I'm just single out one thing. You got that? I just say, and sometimes let me tell you, sometimes you may get jealous, but na control it. Jealousy is not out of place. There are sometimes you feel way, but it is all about controlling it. Sometimes you find out that no one will behave against somebody because of something. It will take you a special grace for you to understand that it seems like no even then it retrace your steps. But Hana art gido until na he may be finally. You want to go? Jealousy. A jealous friend will end your life even before your enemy gets to you. Do you know why? The enemy cannot even get to you straight. Yes. Equal is Valentine Okafor. Thank you, sir. Your enemy may not even have the opportunity to get to you straight. your enemy will look at your clique of friends. Oyene anya na your clique of friends. For that personal like her into eme. For that personal like her, the level of your success. For somebody like her, it is a carry on. Onya would the easiest person to penetrate and get to you. Very simple mathematics. Very simple mathematics. Yes. Very simple mathematics. And to decode them is not difficult. Simply say something like, Anokata no ugo una. Yeah, thank you, sir. Anokata ugo una. This guy ana carry umwe kaya se na gunu mere. If you for you. Yeah, pride here can go. Amomi fo nya jiwe o the pride that obido kobalaga akoko. You need the hokagwa you no happy with that friend of his. You don't need anybody to tell you this. Ina achoke ebia celebrate ye ni igolu moto. Instead of all you do happy with you, instead of all you enwe angry with you, if you uje show something, or can a plan ime, or can a dream ime, obido kubeye, or je put something o me goleme, obido kubeye, instead of you people to talk about what the good news in well, or shock only divided that attention so that you will not feel like you are blessed. Yes, okay for joy, you are welcome. So songu wonye jolo na ya chopota na ya no ye ne envy, no ye to jealous of you no around your circle. You will know them. The moment you kuputari for mama elugo, efuye obi dokuwe maka something na mbo moto no koko no moto ono bosia no go chakwa na yo oshogodu ko bulu uzo me ka ịghọta na onwenire ego igo moto a maybe no go bohe onna na no go chakwa na moto a no give me no go. You never want you to have your smooth ride. You want to go kodo kaya say yes you did it. Jealous friend. More the moment ipuru maka ife imelu oje kobalagu nke onye ozo meru keri ife onye ozo achieve nwere to do with a height your friend they achieve. You people should celebrate together. You don't need to bring anything to interfere with that celebration, because when we feel basala with okeke no okafo ubosai yakomaka okeke ayakomaka okeke for that yakomaka okafo ayakomaka okafo. Today we are talking about me. Why are you bringing other people's achievement? Kiwe counter we go sem na nkem achieve lo nothing. Or if you go to Corona or water discussion Lexus, or if you go to Lexus 350 or water discussion Lexus 570, just to belittle what you have achieved. Just to belittle what you have achieved. Look, let me tell you, advice may come in different ways. Some people will advise you from a place of love. Some people will advise you from a place of pity. Some people will advise you from a place of jealousy. Yes. The people who advise you from a place of love, whether na that advice hanyelu or me shall fail, whether na that advice hanyelu or carry you to a being, the intention though behind that advice will always vindicate them, because they mean well for you. Albani Ashigoze Dalo Onoselu Aka, thank you. Mean well for you. Mean well for you. Yes. They didn't want you to be hurt. So they will always see the dangers around that place. No matter how minimal that danger, they will always concentrate on that danger, because they don't want you to get hurt. Especially area he will never want you, he or she will never want you to go through that path again. In as much as no money with possibility, but they can't stand the chance of seeing you get hurt. They will advise you. Albania Chigo Zedalo, they will advise you. Then people who will advise you from a place of pity, those people have brought your friend, but on the compassion nebeno. E what I go on the way compassion nebeno. Similarly, They don't want you to fail because they feel pity for you. Maybe because they knew you when you were suffering. They knew how you struggled to get to where you are. So they are pitying you because they don't want you to go back to where you are coming from. Whichever way it is, they feel pity. Maybe that they have been a victim of an abuse in a relationship. So they will always advise you from a place of pity so that you don't fall victim of what. In fact, people now advise you from a place of pity. Usually, now advise you out of experience because they have experienced that thing. They have seen what it feels like, so they will not want you to go through that same thing. So they are pitying you because they have seen what you may likely end up. Those people, you will not also, because they, in either ways, they don't want you to fail. But okay, for people who will always advise you from a place of jealousy, stay away from those people. You will know them. The area of your strength will always be a challenge to them. Shake your clique of friends. The area of your strength, what always makes you happy, where you always feel yourself, when you are doing that thing, you will know that, yes, this is my calling. That place will always intimidate them. That look, some people here say, Onya, one kuka. That may be your area of strength. Yes. They will always glorify your weakness. They will always glorify your weakness. But they will always talk down and advise you contrary to your area of strength. Because they have seen what you have not seen. They have seen something about you that is intimidating them. That is intimidating the whole world. That is interesting them. That is interesting the whole world. Have go that this is a place, a way, and the path you will walk to greatness. They will never allow it to happen. Even when it's obvious that you are happy in your marriage, they will keep oblongo yagwam area. Maybe my wife is here, for instance. I am telling you. You see, except na me complain we be yes. How close they are to people based on event that has happened, tested and somehow trusted. Not that person. Don't forget that everything I make in this life is all about probability. Yes, sometimes also if it looks too good to be true, it can hardly be. Yes, Okoyo Peter, you're welcome, sir. Sometimes, don't forget that if it looks too good to be true, it can hardly be. But we will keep trusting people. We will keep having confidence in people. And we will keep making friends. We will keep having associates. But we can only be as careful as we can. So that any mistake or error, we will say, okay, we have tried our best. Yes. Those people, that area of your strength intimidate so much. Alex, you are welcome, sir. That area of your strength, they intimidate her so much, and they glorify that your weakness so much. Stay away from that person. Don't even take any advice from them. They don't want you to shine. Yes. They don't want you to shine. Believe me. Yes, Ikutoku business proposal. No matter how you packaged it, no matter how successful in a weather business in Aga, they will always look for a way to talk you out of that business. Tomorrow, if you want to make a similar thing in Efuanya, or cloth or in another thing, you must buy go your idea. You have to be wise as serpent. The days are evil. The kind of friends we keep today, they're very, very, very terrible. I don't know why I've been moved to talk more on friends. Yes. I don't know why I've been moved to talk more on friends. And now we are talking about jealousy. Jealousy would the reason why some people will know where you are your destiny helper. In a way, if for Mamadu ne melu, or now whilst if for Joe Onyahu ne me. Yes. Imoko before mmadụ enwe God ịgbago na onye ịma na ọ na-emerụ ife ọjọọ na onye awụkwa onye ọjọọ. It takes a lot of courage. Yes, it takes a lot of courage for somebody. Imoko ife onye gwara mmadụ na onye anyere m ife ahụ na onye atikwuru n'ụlọ na onye akwụkwọ m na mune na-ekwu ife onye a na-emerụ mmadụ wee nwee the God and the courage. Onye niile ya ekwu n'ihe ifu na onye ahụ ya ekwu n'ihe ihe ama because ọ mana niile enjoy good will from onye ahụ. Kedu ife ya enye onye ahụ deliver? Ka ife ya enye onye ahụ deliver ịpụta na agbago na onye a wụ onye dị otu a na onye a wụ onye dị otu a. Yes. Chetakwa ife ngwarago, if it looks too good to be true, it can hardly be. That one we feel it in isi go on when you are dealing with people. Whether no nya on a bill container, whether no nya on a bill anything, don't forget that behind some of those things, little percentage of them, there may be hidden interest. As we progress, we discuss about a lot of things. You other go? Yes. All these things you may not be sure of any, but at least events, monitor people closely. I've said it before. A close friend. I will always like to open up a discussion, varieties of discussion, bordering on so many things. Yes, I would like to always open up discussions. We discuss variety of issues. I may discuss those issues. I am reading you. I am watching your countenance. I am watching your reaction to issues. I am watching how you feel about some certain things. I am watching how you talk. I am watching what you criticize and what you uphold. It is enough for me to know the kind of person I am. Yes. Only somebody I will ekuhana madu na eme ofuma. It shows you way damage image onya. You are a jealous person. You cannot even spare me. Because all na success onye go na ya no ho close. Na intimidate you. What will happen if I become half like that person? Yes. All na no leba. Inweho anything with Stanel. I ekute maka Stanel eba. Inoleba finish ye Stanel. E want so many things Stanel do capable of ideme, but you are not sure. Ekute maka Obi Kubana. A talk down on Obi Kubana. And I know you to know that you also want to make money. You also want to be rich. I know you like that. You jealous people will always talk down on things they all wanted to achieve. That is one thing. So, go no ya name with discussion. They follow body movement here. They follow into sekwoku. They follow the reactions here to issue. So, for me to call you my friend, I would have assumed that to some extent, na mama go for the thing I like. So, when I see you talking down on those things I like, I for attribute that into some people, and I talk down on those people when I know that this is what you want, this is your dream, this is what you want to achieve. You are jealous. You are a jealous person. You cannot spare me. You cannot spare me. Yes, you cannot spare me. Yes, I'm not going to when you man on a log in a small scale. On a log in a small scale. If I na pwe wa atuke ka na pwe na Zambia. In la atuke ekeshia nele. Ine make it little money ne. Ekutoku bishop ozobolo. Iwesem na bishop o no hogu ko na ele na ozobolo. No hogu ko na ele na ozobolo. Nka I mean na South Africa. On a log, no go on na one day na monkey go market, no go return. Mani in a la tuke, in a log nke nya ogu nke nwa na ebe nke onye na accuse no ele. So tomorrow, all go no ele ogu in a last care. Tomorrow shall he grow no kilebeke. Tomorrow nya will no na bishop wogu ko ele. So tomorrow shall he grow from level no kilebeke. You are jealous of him. You are jealous of him because he is doing better than you. Even when you're going on at the same field, can be jealous of you because you are doing better than he is doing. Jealous people are always talking down on people they should be learning from. People they should call their role model. people they should be admiring. How will you know? Good anyway discussion. If you not like a white interior, go na ya na movie. Afukwazi you know, eji white interior. We dozi maluma. Osenge free phone ya make us ribe. Can you white iji we de benide. But this is what you like. This is what you like. You should be praising it and glorifying it because somewhere where concept why are you talking down on the exact thing that you like? That is the easiest way to know a friend they do jealous. Or like a Lexus Jeep, 350. The moment he go to Lexus Jeep 350, or change your choice of car here to Mercedes. All to jealous of you. You can't even stand again. You got that motor again because let me tell you one thing again you don't know. There are people who want you to succeed in this life, but they don't want you to succeed more than them. They don't want you to succeed before them, but they want you to succeed. There are people you are helping today. You are the least person they can even come for to ask for help. They may never take any help from you, but they don't have any choice. They don't have any choice. Faith and life has brought them before you to help them. They are not happy. You are expecting thank you. You are expecting them to be grateful. They are busy planning on how to bring you down. They are busy planning on how to steal your idea and subject you to that place where they want you to belong. They have never believed in this life. No go when you help her. You want to go? They have never in this life reason that no somebody don't like you when they can help her. They don't have it. But because na faith, I want to go her before you. They don't have any choice if not to be looking for a loophole. Or if you na mmadụ kpọbatara mmadụ na company, onye ahụ manipulate ye na company aha chụọ ya na that company. Or if you yes, okwongonwa no kwata na that company. Kpọbata a employee ya, right? Or batakwazi ebe a na achọsi ife oye make ewe shuo ka nyanwa we no kwalo. Okwo mmadụ jelu Dubai. Yeah, she na my sister. Okwo mmadụ jelu Dubai. Yes. Batana Dubai. A friend kpọbatara ya na business ọ na-eme kpọlie je na nke ndị ọcha. You got to go. Yeah, thank you, Alex. You are always informed. Yeah. You see? Mmadụ wee kpọlie. Meshi's comedy. You are welcome. Mmadụ wee kpọlie. Wee je na nke ndị ọcha ọ na-ele afịa. Wee je chọta ihe na nke ndị ọcha ahụ. Wee gwa ndị ọcha ahụ ha biwe ya afịa. No default ọ. No default ọ. No ya akwụ. Ndị ọcha wee biwe ya afịa. Biwe ya afịa. O wee nwee ka ife mgbakasị ahụ si wee duru onye nke ni. Onye nke je chọta ihe na nke ndị ọcha. Ahazie meet much with the obligation nye n'ebe ndị ọcha nọ. Onye nke a wee je gwa ndị ọcha na onye a ji ego ha wee je mere investment. Na o ji ego ha wee je lu unu. Na o ji ego ha golu moto na-agba. Na o ji ego ha wee na-ebi extravagant lifestyle. Why na onye default ịkwụ ụgwọ? Jealousy. That you are helping him or her does not mean that no other jealous of you. In fact, ordinarily, oblona faith or go na within the same place, he or she may never even come to you for help. Or condition milk crayfish or bendia. Not like a cam, none if could even so many people in a squad to Nuno today. Oblona dibia while half fat. They will never believe it. And the ha dibia bala hana fano will defend with the key mechano wa hanolo at your mercy for them to have shelter. They will never believe it. The mere fact that no ngu wonyena offer her that help. Na full. That is why the ebia squat was such person no. Rules only they will be go one follow or you could debe. ọwụ na ha like ka eyi slippers na abata begu nya ka o yi abata begu ọwụ na like ho ka ewe remote wu na edewe n'elu bed ka o ya edewe ọwụ na like erisha nni asa efele orisha nni odebe efele a onye menata ife ahụ ọma n'ife na like ọ ya ada eme exact opposite of ife like ho ife ọ chọrọ oke na react ife ọ chọrọ oke na aba mba ife ọ chọrọ oke na-ewe iwe ife ọ chọrọ oke na upset na-enye reason more ọ ya ji wee na-ebia grudges against you. Yes, abatago mbe mmadụ. Yes, mbialuo owu n'obe ka m kwụsịrị for like a month. Ịghọtana o meghere m fridge sem na fruit dị na fridge o na mmanya ado na ife niile edo ife gukwolu m je ewolu mbịa cheki ese na amụkwụ m ife. In fact ọ bụrụ onye idusnya appreciate so much ọ bụrụ onye ịchọghọrị ka ịkpasu iwe you will even be in fact privileges niile onye you won't even use them half because you don't want to overstretch to the limit. E nwere ife sometimes agwa feel at home enopela anopelu ka iwe du sure na ịkpasu onye ahụ iwe ya shoka onye ahụ wee iwe ya shoka onye ahụ megono mana onye na-eghu anya ọkụ ya ada achọso ụzọ ya esi ewu oghu and unu kọ ọnụ nekwa another thing na agwa ịchọọla ịma how somebody feel about you. Yeah, bakana nya nwekeneli na okwu bamba kwufie n'okwu ka okwu ke n'okwu gwa no out of anger ka o ji wee kwue ka m wee maa na iwe wekata na ogo nnerie nse ka mma na iwe wekata na ogo nnerie nse ka mma na nwere ụdị iwe nwere ike iwekata ojema onko yola. Yes, yes, yet iwe na-ewe ijuoli ndị mekata na alụghị ife were iwe. Oh, our parents when we were growing up, little did we know that they are doing all out of love. But then we took it that na ha na-anọ ya aka n'ime na ha chọrọ ka ime sapụ ahụ. But no mgbe ya amụta nwa nke ya nọ wee ma ife niile ahụ your parents na-eme ugbu a no ifunanya ka ha fụrụ. But no ha, I'm just trying to tell you na ego wali ndị merụghị ife ya ọhụụ n'ife a na-eti nne na mmadụ n'inwere ike ibi ya onye ọwa aka nye ọhụụ n'ife iwu kwadoro nya na morali na iti nne na nna gị ife a lot of us aka nwụ parents ya ihe ọgụ because na ụfọdụ n'ime ha mechacha ife ahụ ịlaikere ka ha ya achọ ka ị ghara ide eme adị ha nwee reason. Ọ mgbe ahụ itolitelu ka ị ya bịa wee fu reason hey so n'ife a ka ndị a ji eme ife a ịmụtazie nke aka awụọ. Ezeaku sọsọ daalụ, thank you very much. So a jealous friend ụdị ifo sọpụrụ ugwu mee ihe n'ụwa ọ ya da complain. Ọ complain ọ na-agụ ya inye ya nni. Ọ complain olugu na akwa inye ya akwa. Ọ complain olugu na mmanya inye ya mmanya. Ọ complain olugu na ije eba inye ya ife. Onye gosinata yu n'ime goli ife o ji do fulfilled or happy in this life. Ọ ya like ka ọ na frustrate your effort ka ị ghara isi okay at least I have done this. Yes, they are as ungrateful as ever. They are not ungrateful because they cannot be grateful to the right people. They are ungrateful to you because they never in this world expected not somebody like you. Yemeluha that favor imeluha. Why must it be you? Can if patara oyeji we wolongo ya squat here nunu. Can if patara oyeji we wolongo patara ego chose ki nye line. Yes. Can if patara oyeji we wolongo ya dey read na school. Why? Unless no jihonte no ebe a na-eme a plan evil about you. Unless no jihonte fu ebe a na plan evil about you. Ọnwa afia nke ga agwụgo. Ọnwa afia nke ga agwụgo. Ịghọtago? Jealousy. Jealousy do more deadly than cancer. Isho ikweta. Ishi ikweta na. Mana ọ bụrụ na ikweta ho, ị ka emecha kweta. Jenene those people na imitate you more. Jenene those people na imitate you more without giving you credit. If all na ịchọrọ ime, ikekwe inwetapụ ha ego mee, oburu ụzọ mee ihe. Asọkwa na mmadụ ide learn from people. Na mmadụ imeki mmadụ wụrụ model ya. Na mmadụ ịda inspire somebody. But onye ọwụ na ị na inspire, ya eme ka ị malụ na inspire. Onye ayada appreciate you so much. Onye ayada admire your wisdom. Onye ayada admire your sense of reasoning. Onye ayada admire ntu isi dress. Hey, na ekokwakwa ya again. Hey, ekokwakwa ya again. Na nife na ajụ akwa you dress to kill. Na perfume na iwu na expert na ekokwa perfume. Ife na perfume maka esi. All those things. Na your choice of color na moto na adebu. Na your choice of na interior need to see design interior you know right from mgbe anyị nọ na school na room o ya ada confess ya no na anu ye then o mutazie from you na eme ịma no na replicate if o muta from you. Onye do jealous of you ya that condemn that part of you but now the highest person ya dey imitate you. Yes, ego sweat shoe. O sị ga onye nwe moto ọ na-eyi sweat shoe. O sị ga onye nwe moto ọ na-eyi sweat shoe. Ichechakwa na ụka na-abata mmiri sobe ka eke yesi yiri na 1 week later o go sweat shoe. O ya agbasi nke ya na kpu aeroplane. Kite ya bịa eburu ya n'ụlọ na-ebuje school. O dọrọ happy na iburu ya ụzọ. Kerunya ka eke isi ke wee nwe ụdị test ya. Ka eke isi wee ke wee nwe nonsense into ese dress. Nya nguzi ka ya da amụ ya onweghị ike thinking how to miss akwa yeye iwu na he must have to see you, she must have to see you before we mute. Although difficult to know a friend who is jealous of you. Although difficult. Go na on at the same business. Or like your moto, you put okwu igo moto, unu na-ekwu okwu moto, igo ha moto go. And oje go that same moto igo. Ime travel ome. Oshi ime oche obodo ahụ ime. Ime business ha karịla amosu. Yes. Eziokwu sọsọ. Ha ndị a friend do jealous of you the worse than amosu. Yes. A friend do jealous of you the worse than amosu. I am telling you. That is one of the 1,000 ways to die. Nke ahụ number 1. Nke ahụ number 1. N'ime 1,000 ways to die, having a jealous friend is number 1. You are very, 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 very closer to your grave. Hard, very deadly. You will notice them. You will notice them. They always stay in the midst of people who don't like you. A friend, go na a friend. A friend, if you na go na too close. Mana, the opposite of you, we feel that attract here always. Why is he or she friend with you? Yes, when you cannot feel the pain of your friend. Onyo gwara gut oputata o complain olo usego na emekwa na Emeka na okwe ma na afia ahụ mbire Emeka na Emeka akwụbụ omugwo yo and ego a na-enye m ezigbo tanso osego ha na Emeka ka ije bi afia why you ejije bi Emeka afia 2 days later obula afia je bi Emeka ifuzi nya na Emeka na awuzi nya onye ahụ complain uri something maka nwobele oge ifuzi nya na nya na onye ahụ ya da etu ọ ka nwere another thing ị na-achọ ka agwa onwe another thing ị na-achọ ka agwa ịma na ihe agụ the handwriting on the wall onweghị ifo ya ejikọnya na mmadụ. The moment he complain or something about somebody, the next minute ekpo ya na phone kelebe na oso na ya na Emeka jere ịṅụ mmanya ekpokwa ya next day oso na ya na Emeka jere gym ịkpọkwa Wednesday ọsọ nna na-eme onye ọnwụ na ịgwara ya na ịlaiki họ onye ahụ aghọ best friend ya ị ka na-achọ ka agbaghị the handwriting on the wall. Kedu ife ka chọrọ ka agbaghị? Kedu ife ka chọrọ ka agbaghị? In a company ebe ọ ma na ihe anọzi, in fact gụ na mmadụ se ha okwu taa nwanne echi ifunya na onye ahụ gụ na mmadụ 10 so okwu within 1 month ifunya na mmadụ 10 ahụ. Your opposite ya da attract ya more. Onye ahụ do jealous of you. Watch this line on na chegwa in a claim na-emu ife niile. A close friend go na edu mma na asịrị oge oni na-ekele mụ na emu ife niile nwanne onye ahụ na-eru anya ọkụ. Kedu ife emu ife niile nwanne? He should be happy that you know a lot of things as a friend. He should be happy that you know a lot of things as a friend. And yet every single thing ị na-eme ka ọ na-eme because no money enwe o money with that wisdom. Yes, but he will not admit learning from you. He will always be upset. Why must it be you who knows all these things? Kedu ka isi wee na-amara ife niile? Kedu isi da amụta ife niile? Yes, a friend go na ede etu a ya adore happy no go the highest ọkammụta enwe na Nigeria. He shouldn't be intimidated by your knowledge. Yes, if you are wise, he should be the one telling people, this my guy, do very wise. Yes, they have it even in both men and women, and sometimes even your married partner, boyfriend or girlfriend exhibits such behavior. It is everywhere, even between husband and wife, even between girlfriend and boyfriend. Yes, it is everywhere. You don't know? It is everywhere. Ma onye kwologu enyi ga na asị oge oni na claim na imu ife niile. Is it a juo onwe you say is it a crime na ọwụrụ na imu ife niile? Or no ya do happy na friend ya imu ife niile? At least your friend the mad ife niile. You have little chance of making mistake. Why are you the person who is worried, who is concerned, who is angry that your friend knows it all? And look, let me tell you, 90% of your friends in way today, or your close friends, they know what you are capable of doing. Ina kwa godo hani ye medaten, hana se uni ye memwe, ha mani ye memwe. Yes, a friend ya say, I know you now, I trust you, I know what you can do. Oh ya takwa agwa ndị mmadụ my guy Emeka, I know what he can do. Onye nke ahụ nwee lock, nwee ezigbota lock n'ime ife dị otu a. But a friend into jealous of you will always argue with you based on what you are capable of doing. Yes, your capacity means nothing to him. Yes, even if former that you can do it and do it well, he will always argue with you that you cannot do it. Yes, he is always interested in glorifying your failures. Be very careful. Jealous friends never dream of people. Business connection in welu do capable and don't onwelunde opportunity na bialo once. Or you take a long time before that opportunity appear again. A lot of men if flew today now wallow in abject poverty. Who only happen any haji and all man emaho. Can if you na oda amosu? Can if you na oda witchcraft? Yes, can if you na amosu? Can if you na witchcraft? Oga ha na eku maka Madam Umushu. There was something I said then, but our people now do always too emotional that they will never reason, no matter what. You can also reason out of that box. Agwa munde mmadụ na ụfọdụ parents a na-asị na ha awa amosu na ọhụ na onye ahụ na-esi na kovu na apụ. Yes, ọhụ na onye ahụ na-esi na kovu nwere apụ. Mwe maatụ wee sịgo nwa nwoke nwere a dream of becoming an international businessman. Nwa nwoke nwere a dream of traveling overseas. nwa nwoke nwere a dream of becoming a pilot, a dream of becoming a full-time doctor or lawyer. That is the career option in this life. Iwe pota, we force ye, for example, into Ishi father. Meanwhile, o plan to China life ye, me to yesu we zoom ye. Iwe pota as a mother or as a father. Elo chukwezike dalo. We force ye into Ishi father. Are you not a witch or a wizard? Ishoroko unu ne bana kovun before you will a witch or your wizard or a wizard. Yes. Nwa nwoke inwele ego and them man inwele ego yejizu na school. Because of one thing or the other, best known to you, he decided that he's in Malaysia. Makana nwa emeka no Malaysia na eme ofuma. Ichohe nwa na akalaka ye odo eba. Nyanwa we gba say daddy na any venture ime. I want to go to school. I want to become a lawyer. You did not even give him or her an opportunity to try in that field. Ochorega. Bwa it what ya tuje kelafe ifa. Are you better than a witch or a wizard? If a witch or a wizard in a man, it is to shift you away from your destiny. It is to you catch you in a sogarisi. Some people may mecha by one at that track, but hey west they go so many years, then so many end up like that. Jena Moto Park, a lot of them they once had a dream. Take her away from actualizing that dream. Yes, Jejoha. Yeah, she didn't do see that. Jejo fanchanine. So, in as much as na our parents, oh kita kana kusisiri parents na agwa ha. O bulu na emocha nwa uwe sego. No cho ije school, for instance. No cho ije school. No chọrọ ịmụ ọlụ aka. Yeah, Naija. The spirit of Naija. Ịghọtago? Nwa uwe sego na ọ chọghị ije school daddy. Na ọ chọrọ ịmụ ọlụ aka, for instance. Yeah? Yeah? Support nwa ahụ. Yes. Support nwa ahụ. Nya mụ ọrụ aka. Ọ no carpenter ka ọ chọrọ ịlụ. Ọ mụwa carpenter abụ cha. Support onye in a way and a level. Isho ka ọ ga. Yes. Support onye. Yes. Ezo okpoko na ọba ha. Lọchara carpenter akpọ ha carpenter. Ọ ife ha lọchara. Mana ife ha na-alụ ịba n'ime ụlọ ndị ọgaranya ochie ma mgbe ahụ eji wood emesiri wood na-eme wall. Rụọ ma oche were wood na-eme step. Ọ ha alụchara ya. Yes. Ọ ha alụchara ya. Ọ carpenter ka ha wụ. Yes. So mgbe ị bịa channel lụọ dream nwa to another place oruzie ba bigeribe aka because na ife ahụ ụfọdụ nọ na si Ronaldo na agbata bọọlụ wee nọ na nwa okeke jere England ije gba bọọlụ o wee fọsọ nwa nọ ya gba bọọlụ nwa he wee ruo wee je waste ya more than 20 years of his life pursuing the dream of his father or his mother. Is it not the same as witchcraft? Is it not only a witch or a wizard? Iye wiwe mgbe nwa sịrị na-eme ka fuchonya nya na-eme ashịrị n'ịnụ ya iwe kwa iri ya Johnson because na Johnson nwere ego Johnson wee nụọ ya wee megido ya ife n'ụwa chigido nwa ọnụ n'ana nwa wee nwụọ ịmụhọ na ibu aka ọbala ọ na ịmụhọ na wishi nke ga-egbugo mmadụ na ịtawugo mmadụ na amoosu ọ na ịmụhọ. So mgbe m merụ vidio ahụ emechara vidio ahụ wee sị parents, there are so many things that event has taught us that there are so many decisions you should allow your kids to take, but guide them through that decision ha take. Guide them to be a better person, to become a better version. Now that career has should do for themselves. If you have resources, channel it to that side. Yes, the gift of a man maketh way for him. No doubt. You will know. The gift of a man maketh way for him. So the moment in between the gift of your child, yes, because when he falls, if not destroying the dream of that person. A lot of people know now bad and the toxic marriages today because of decision parents have taken here. What, as a father or as a mother, can you feel your own way? Yes. So sometimes or has any wish, money wizard, we because no one coven Isiagu. If only nesi na coven apple ejeme, neme ki neme. Only force. The only thing one anya the spiritual power we make, go away physical power and decision, and your advantage position. We make your own. Two of you, I agree, you know, in the same place. Onye je boom mad, onye ji mabum mad, no ye ji aka strangle mad. No onye just tiri mad poison na ndi onwo, unu ni committee mother. Unu ni committee mother. It doesn't matter. Uzo osisi we bia. Unu ni deny ya na mmadu privilege to live. Unu take away the right for a person to live. Ofife kunu. Yes. But in all this, I am telling you, a jealous friend is worse than a witch. A jealous friend is worse than a wizard. Because you will find out that now, their relationship can lead her. Do you know that no fodo muwani mechalo end their up with a fiancé enyi hawani? Ufodo mwoke mechalo. Jeno onye enyi hawani supposedly no. Meanwhile, iso no onye advisory ye. Nyano no nya. Acho mejuga ajuju sa. Acho mejuga ajuju madam. Keri ife iche na enyi nwoke haya handle ni na that lady. If you don't go your handle ye better. I am asking you, maybe you should answer me. Madam Biko. Keri ife nkeshi aya handle ni nebe mekano. O zingo wangoreka ya handle ni better ebe mekano. Oko because on ife angoreka ye enjoy ebe mekano. You make stand the fear go enjoy ya this thing no wire. Because not destined to suffer. He choose he is we mago. Ụfọdụ nwụrụ anwụ maka na onye dusi n'ndụ ya da account to see mistakes here na achọsụ so yesi we make amend. People are wicked. The most wicked being God does, the most wicked thing God created in this life. Woman Biamoto Igbo TV. Thank you, brother. Woman. Yes. Mmadụ abịakpọlụgo n'ọfụlụgo bịakpọlụgo kpọta na matrimonial home ye go help ọgụ ịbịaruo ebe ahụ fụka ya na DS enjoy fụka ya na DS enwe fun ibido plan ọba Alex Ogwa thank you ibido plan ọba ọ na-ewe ihe esi wee sepụ ya ọnụ n'ala ahụ ọ na-aṅụ. Yes, jealousy. Only I don't jealous of you. We always be happy for you. In fact, if my melugu ya da to na-egbu ye ka mmanya. E pụta na call your friend maka na ịgbalụ na agọ. Ọ na-akọlụgụ maka nke Emeka gbalụ na VGC. Amanda Dalo. Ị na-akọrọ ya maka ana ịgbalụ na agọ. Ọ ya dị enwe aṅụrị na enyi ya gbatara ana na agọ Lagos. Ọ na-akọrọ maka nke Emeka. This is empire. This is Nukumai, I greet you. Hey, what I go? Okay, now this is commentary now here. Let me use a perfect example. How else can you explain jealousy. If not that now, somebody walk into a showroom. Yeah? Jebulu a brand new motor atol nylon. Onwelu motor will want e what go. Ayema na all the dream of every man to drive, to be the first owner and the first person that nyaka the history of that motor be there with you. It is our dream. Yes. This is how man ifa na you gotta go. It is a dream of Amako no na gogo. It was agum. Mado bana showroom je hefuru moto brand new one. Instead of a day one only, no nyaje go moto ofo. Ese no gono kere this is get if akwa or mortgage ko gono kere if akwadoria ke if akwadoria mbufodo. That na other difficult if you live in the Western world to go to any showroom and buy motor. No, luo ina akwo ugwo mobile. Ina akwo ugwo mobile. That anybody can buy house. Nobodo you. Yeah? Oma, you are welcome, Augustine. Good evening. Yeah? When your man a gari dalo. You want to go? If for her. Yeah? If for her master nenye people every reason batalo car loan. Yes. Or financing. How are they people every reason batalo? How you feel? They work or hard for that. Okay, house is mortgage. Yeah. Then car loan. Yeah. Thank you. You gotta go. How many people every reason battle how you way undermine or that's your effort? Can the mother feel like you have worked so hard? We have friends who do these things. If people who are not your friend, but yet they feel like they are in competition with you. Imagine a lot of people for the na emboss. Imagine get an a Venza or a formatic get the moment they have follow. Congratulations to me. Ha shows if also be after it. Ha what osubo ka ha jefe. Obi ha ko to. Ha be se ne owu na egwuregwu ka ị na-egwu. Ha ekutuo. Owu na do serious. Malaria for 1 week or 2 weeks. Amanda Dalo. You want to go? Alex, I was even coming. I'm even. I can not be now. Okay, I will talk with you. And the Benina to go on more darker now. Oh, there you Mate made broadcasting can or chichele. Okay, even I go. Come by Jen. Okay, come by Jen. My people, big up. Only I not give them for few minutes. Malike call to this broadcast. Come by Jen now. Happen on the nepa. They will never stop us from doing what we are doing. The what AC in the Maduja come on. Can not AC. I Yes, we are back. Evidence to show you are in Nigeria. Exactly. Exactly. You want to go? So now, and before my God himself, I need to tell you that but can I record even Neku first? So now, he was na nonya ahụ car loan ka o ji wee go moto ahụ, nonya ahụ mortgage ka o ji wee go na ahụ. I hear anụrụ m ife unu na-ekwu ọwụlụ na iwu cleaner, ọwụ na iwu cleaner na ọrụ ị na-alụ ụwụ cleaner ka ị na-alụ ebe ị na-alụ ọrụ. Yes, ọwụ na cleaner ya wee lụcha ọrụ akwụọ ụgwọ ahụ, because I'm na ọbụla I don't think na everybody o nwere ndị nwe permanent job. Yes, o nwere ndị nwe permanent job no ebe ọwụrụ na ha debe numbers ha with ndị agency, o nwee ka ọrụ si wee pụta akpọ ha bịa lụkwa ọrụ, o nwee ka ọwụrụ ọrụ ha ya alụ per hour or 2 hours. I don't know if I'm wrong. You people should tell me. Now that person nwere ike access mu a car loan biko kọwalụ no mo nwere ike amahomo. After all, be on side, yeah. But I'm just talking based on what I feel nwere ike ide. So this is in eba. Oh no, the possible egwam. Yes. Na ndị na-alụ ọrụ with the agency yawo ọlụdo agency ha kpọ gwa na ọlụdo kwa ebe ijecha apụta ọdụ ka ndị agency ha dụ ka ha na-ewelu some part of the money self onye owe jide nke then o nwere ike anọkata ọlụ ya adụzi ọnọrụkwa out of job. Onye ahụ o nwere ike access nwu car loan or nweta house on a mortgage. Ndị mmadụ dị jealous ime ife ha atụwa ha anya n'ihe eme ba isi onye ọ na-agbalie. That is why somebody will constantly be looking for the source of your money. Somebody will constantly be looking for the source of your money. Ochoko mane be isi nwete ga. Ochoko mane be ga. Since you iji we nwezie ga, ikowezie onwekwu ife na-eko no na your life changing. O mere expect na your life aye changing inwe ego. No. All the ego, a can. You see, thank you, Ndi John. You must have a contract job before you can access a car loan. Very simple. Yes. You see? You see? Yes. Equal Mr. Valentine. Alex, Sele, you must have a steady job. More like a contract work. Yes. You must have a contract work. On all the kind of Nigeria. Onye a salary ena no na government payroll or no na ụfọdụ company to Coca-Cola or company nwe ko Swedo or na bank. Na alụ ọrụ na a bank or something. Inwe a permanent job. Enwere pay slip eji akwụghị ụgwọ. You can easily access a loan. A maid in alone at my house, or you just access that loan. A medicine alone at my house need the collateral to go and access that loan. Collateral, or you alone at bank need the pay slip ye. Collateral, or you alone at Coca-Cola need the pay slip ye. Yes. Collateral, or you alone at government need the pay slip ye. Because ha need the kena alolu security. Yes. You can only get credit either to buy a car or house if you have a good credit or good contract. Buying a car can be easy once you have a steady income for at least a year. Buying a house is more difficult. Aside good credit and good job, there are other requirements. Exactly. If you see onye memuri ye kama ya kpo onye ahụ. Emalokwo, you are assuming, because only to jealous of you, we assume 20 things before know the real thing. Beleme. It is not difficult for you to know a jealous friend though. Onwe onye monitor karichalogo ka a jealous friend. Go where to show the ebe no at that moment abule ebe where keep butere fortune where keep overtake ebe no by 100%. Oh yeah, that monitor go to show no onye go na no abule onye to capable of email about to the next level. He wants to monitor you day by day. Go where to show na that condition, na that situation or my. Yes. They always want to know the next decision they should take. Yes. Despite the fact that you must have a steady job to get a car, you also must get a good paycheck to get a good car or machine. Yes. Omenala Igbo, thank you. You see, they monitor your movement more than you monitor your own movement. You may be careless about your movement, but a jealous friend, a jealous colleague, in fact, do you even know that now somebody who is doing far much better than you can still be jealous of you? Are you aware? Yes. Are you aware that a friend or a colleague who is doing far much better than you can still be jealous of you? Yes. Sometimes your personality alone do enough to get people to be jealous of you. Your personality alone. The way you carry yourself, the way you talk, the way you command respect, the way you go, the way you command respect. Ha shows you so how you see bido condemn when you hundem mado. He will lose that your self-respect. Yes. Yes, Franco Wellaby, thank you. Good credit standing is not easy to come by. You work for it. Yes. So this is something people supposedly that admire. But they will always look for a way how you see where caught that thing. Go where look at like you haven't really worked hard for it. You are right, this is. So what people always get jealous of is what they always pray. On their lifetime dream, then achieve, they will have problem with it. Why must it be you? Why must it be you? Why must it be you? Some of them in your house, for how big your house is. The mother before I go how I can allude you na get an old mother house. Can you mother yesi welo uduna off we geshi or 20 plots. A boy alone can do 2 times bigger than your own. You gotta go. And a Westiana. And a Westiana. Actually, no Westiana more than you. Uncle be yourself, oh Westerana more than it Nanke. I am telling you how you will know that your friend is jealous of you. I'm on a point to give any negotiation back. But above all, I am telling you that your admirer more what people want to jealous of you. People who always admire to get that thing you have. Most of them whereby yes you then are jealous of you. Yes, I will go gonna somebody who is learning from you. I am so ashamed to tell you that one not likely your will. Nana mamuta kwifena kago. Oya to jealous egwagye. Oya like egwagye. Ki we malo no na amutaku from you. But somebody adorable bold enough to tell you that one day you are inspiring me. I am learning from you. That person is jealous of you. And yet, gonna emulate your steps. Ne implement if I name. But although proud of you, he is jealous. Run away. Run away. Run away before Kudo into Ofwebe. Run away before Kudo into Ofwebe. They are always quick. Benedict John, you are welcome, sir. They are always quick to broadcast your bad side to the people, but they are too slow to celebrate your good side. They are always good and outspoken. Now people know about your bad side, but the moment there is the good things about you, they will go dumb. They will be deaf so that they don't even hear it. Maki former basalogo na so and so nante. Ana ekwu ifoma melu odo ha ka no shatara afaru. They will come quick ka ha confirm more. It is not difficult for you to find a fake friend or a jealous friend around you. It is just you who is just doing I don't care. And unfortunately, if you are doing I don't care, I'm sorry for you, because you are on your highway to either your ini onya mezielu gebele okudo na a permanent place of no return. Yes, a place of no return. Everything in Wa is what they are desiring to have, and yet they cannot appreciate you. They cannot praise you for breaking that door, for that achievement. They will leave you luluno enu neto onye lulunana. Yes, if that be happen enyi nwoke gbula agụ neto onye abụla enyi unu gburu egwu ha na efu ka o si wee gbuo egwu a. Mana na-ekwu maka enyi nwoke gburu agụ ya, ị na-ekwu maka okeke gburu egwu. Igbu egwu na igbu agụ kedu nke require a high skill. Ịghọtalụ ibe na-agwa gị ife a dọka akụkọ ka nna akọlụ mana ibe na-agwụkwọ na-eme eme o nna ifukwelu unu emeka enyi nwoke lụrụ nna na ifu duplex this guy gbaka ọ sịghị na ọkwụ bọsị aka njeru nnọkwa ichetalụ John na ifu na John lụrụ guy, we are talking about unu enu enyi nwoke lụrụ here. The guy will wonders on earth. Nna ifu na anaka unu enu mma ọ chọrọ ịnụ ife ọma ahụ na-ekwu ọma ahụ na-ekwu na ata ya nọ na ntị. Ọ chọrọ dị imagine na Emeka bi n'ime duplex ya the day ego ya a lot of your friends gonna ha na-eme gonna ha mụcha amụ etu a na ha na-emuru gị anya abalị. O nwere ike onwebụghị mind ihe amụ direct, mana I swear ofu onye na-echere ugwu echiche ọma echiche ife ọjọọ ọ ya act as a catalyst to speed up that reaction. Many are go, many are go because of people like this. And I call it that idea, and I call it that idea. This is a secret in the Dunimeba, up oje, expose you, or expose you, a crepe for. Yes, of course. Oh, a friend, Kamado Washalo. Nano Guambu, China. Na nwa ahụ abachi nkopụta nwanne na mbata obodo a na mbata na ka stand na-ekpo Land Cruiser ka na-ekpogono. Imagine cha onya aka ya atụ short etu a ka o esinya Land Cruiser nka ike ya ka o eji dono na Leather City Land Cruiser ya dono owu onwe ọ na-ekogodu mgbe onwe bụ ego ọ wụrụzie onwe ego na ife ọ na-ekopụ na onwe bụ ego. Imagine onwezi ụdị ego ọ na-ekwu ọ ya stand for osuogi mi ozugbo na airport by ka ya kuchi yourself. So a lot of people are kuchi golu na so many places. It's not that na ha ka route rough ma, but ha mere people ono we gwa one wrong person okwu. One wrong person he expose your dream to can crash that dream in a plan for the past 10 years. It can crash it in 1 hour. Yes. Yes. Oh my, you are right. When the friendship keep us onye luo mulanya. Isi mmonwu esina n'anya doka. Isi mmonwu esina n'anya doka. Enyi nwanyị a na-eme kpọọ ya na phone. ife ahụ unu ji egwuregwu ama nni ji ekwara na nke Emeka ama nni ji ekwara na nke Emeka ama na aka ka a na-emetụ okịta ngwa ike ọwụrụ ife unu ji egwuregwu were na-amara njakịrị mana ọ like hodo that your relationship ị na-enjoy nwanne one day ọ ya nọ n'ihu enyi nwoke kpọọ ọrụ na fonu tinye na speak out ị na-asa n'ọnụ ichere egwuregwu ka ụka gụ na mmadụ na-egwu. It is enough to end that relationship. Now let me tell you now. I want to speak to somebody now. I blame a pastor, but so I feel like I want to speak to somebody now. That relationship we ended because of jealousy. It is time for you to go and repair that relationship. It is time for you to open up and say the truth, because the shadow will haunt you for the rest of your life. You have ended people's business, you have ended people's career, you have stolen people's husband, you have stolen people's wives. Yes, that relationship in on there today, Emonye suppose in on that place. That office in on there today, Emonye that office supposedly you took it away because no nyaho goes to a weakness as a friend. You decided to use that weakness. You decided to use his or her vulnerability against her or against him. Yes, Iwe no share na the dream madu take years we plan. A lot of people today want so many families we even neburu ha. Emo ni ibenne nebu mmadu. So emo ni ibenne nebu mmadu. Emo ni ibenne nebu mmadu. Nwanne wu na-agwa ife ọmọ chọrọ ime ọ na-afụ why must it be you? Abịazie na family ka sị na ọsọ ya na-eme ọfụma. Abịazie na family ka sị na nke a mere. Ịchọwa ụzọ ihe esi wee se plan. Iburu ụzọ tarnish image n'anya ndị mmadụ, because igbu image mmadụ ada people ka agụnụ. Igbu your image with is ha ebu ụzọ target. Bee image go kerekele. Woto ofu eziokwu. Woto eziokwu ọzọ. Wola asị 28 time or 30. Make sure no onye verify you two ahụ eziokwu. Two ahụ do get enough iji wee justify the rest of 28. Even ji agwa gị ife ahụ ka ọ yawo. Achọrọ m expose the next topic in short because ọ yawo a continuation of this one. Ka i wee fu a lot of things na-eso okwu. Ka i wee ma ka ihe si avoid there. Yes. Ka i wee ma ka ihe si avoid there. Ma ka ihe si verify here. Ka ị ghara ime a mistake ka devil ghara use as an instrument. Ka devil's instrument ghara manipulate you. Yes. A lot of people go know today. A man if you go no was no idea na asị ka atụrụ. A lot of people is go know. A lot of people call their destiny helper. A man not out of jealousy case we be asịrị ya asị. Due to emotion, you quickly believed it. A subject your mother. A perfect instrument into lift onya out of that condition on there. But I be at all due to jealousy. Equator. A dump one mother eba. You will leave mother deserve 100%. Nye it deserve for the 10%. I wish na one day na God ye me in any mother anye tua. Enough if any know about you, you will see that 60% of the friends we are keeping today, you are not even supposed to be coming to them even 1 foot close. How na chineke me people binde ni ne surround la ye. You will fife some people buru no bi. We fife some people na echelu. We fife some people in emi former melu ye la chaposo je gwa ha. Why must it be you? Why must it be you? Why must it be you? Sometimes no one you go. Oh, ku jealous. Asi na nwata bakari ibe na nko. Asi na okpare na ajofia. Sometimes no gwolo ogwu ego. Wa okwu anyukwu ka owo. Ego Chineke nyelu ego agoziri with agbaga eghare osene gwolo ogwu ego. You got to go. Oh, but you can only introduce you to business in a or fail to be dedicated to it. or allow one distraction, or as committed as you are to get to where you are. Because so many people pay heavy sacrifice or also no introduce you to business spare parts on and so. Are you willing to deny yourself if you deny your way? A lot of people deny if you enjoy it from early stage to get to where they are today. Are you willing to sacrifice your pleasure? Now the order of a father. If you are not willing, don't be jealous of him. Eat your cake. Why you expect to stay have it? It is a mistake. Definitely, we all learn by experience. Yes. Ezeaku, let me share my experience with my own brother's wife. Yeah, I would love to hear this. I like this experience so that people can be learning. With my own brother's wife, I have not done any bad thing to her. She was in Obodo Iwo. Okay, I use this phone. Can you use this other phone? Where got this thing? Can you use this other phone? I love to hear this experience so that other people will learn. Yeah. Also, she was in Obodo Iwo before I come. When I got my document, I told her, do you know what she asked me first? She asked me, do they give many people documents? And I said no to her. Then when I got to the house there, I told her another question she asked me was, is it a new house? She never said congratulations to me before those questions. It was after those questions she will say, congratulations. You see, like I said last time, friendship and keep as well is scary. You see, they will ask you 20 questions before they even become happy or congratulate you. One day, they are jealous. If I achieve now, they want to ask you questions. They will, in fact, they are the EFCC and police. They are the DSS that are following you. Yes. A lot of people name a business in where goes to. Are you in my point itself now your closest friend they sue me? Why are you thinking that in a way problem will go on? Yes. Oh, you sue me. Yes. Now, anyway, reason batalo made you have to jealous of people. Yes. And I'm saying it and I mean it. If you're my friend, I'll always be happy with you. I even have a way of praising my friends. I have a way of adoring my friends. But Adam Ezeaku, when we 4G in a member like you, I will always confront you. Yes. It's better than more confront you. We disagree in order to agree. But all a friend do be yado hoshana ebeno. E confront to shayo we buwelu buwelu grudges. Either you confront them or you don't confront them. They don't care. You gotta go. You see? They don't care. You don't even need to do anything wrong to them for them to even get upset. They will start planning. They will start planning. They will start plotting for your downfall. The reason why I don't get jealous of people is because you don't know the sacrifices. You don't know what is behind what they have achieved. You don't know what those people went through. Some of them did what you cannot do. Some of them did what you cannot do. Yes. For example, I like using expensive phone. And I like using nuku phone. Or a hobby which I cannot. I don't think no one will watch in key trade. I would rather jite nuku phone unaka ba taxi neje. Yes. Now, after somebody deny way all that pressure, we build one way to level up today. We be go with those things. Go with ponalo. You can go. You know, use the phone 5 million. You know, use the phone 5 million. Only 20 million and they use 50,000. Oh, when you another dream, do different from your own. Or actualize the child dream ye. She got us enjoy yeah, that pleasure in a enjoy since you anyoko. Can if in a anyoko, ye deny you won't make far in enjoy now to get to where a lot of people may look. Let me tell you, a lot of people who made money, they compromised the greatest thing. In fact, that weakness, they compromised on that weakness. Why are you jealous of that person? Yes, some people na moto na Lagos na madam fo. Yes, na madam fo. Mmiri na amafa. Ha na ama okada. Well, just no ha kwakpo na. Ngonwa filu no moto u problem. Ijegoro moto na anyala onwe moto go. The moment olulu no, igube ya anyoko. Igube ya anyoko. You got what you wanted and he got what he wanted. You see? So, why are you jealous? Even a gronya hanyoko. Kerifi ne gronya hanyoko. Kerifi ne gronya hanyoko. Kerifi ne gronya hanyoko. Onya ga through if you make it go through to get to where they are today. You want to go? Some people will go today out of luck. I'm sorry to say that. Yeah, I'm sorry to say that. Some people will go today out of luck. Some people will go today will go out of hard work. Yes. Some people will go today will go out of hard work. I'm telling you today so that you know. So why are you being jealous of people without even caring to know their story? So many people wait for those successful today. Now their careers or anything. How many stories which you cannot even write such stories for yourself. You cannot subject yourself to the kind of denial. How deny before they got that. Oh, you deny a lot of things. We go to that Toyota Camry in a Iwaji. Yes, Kevin a Iwaji. Yeah? Equally is a Valentine Mukafa. I'm generalizing everything. Yes. Right here at this broadcast, I have talked about somebody who calls a nyanyoko. Kaya say na causing na more fuma. Causing an idea of building a house. You will frustrate that idea with everything in you. Kaya say so. Your cousin kuto go moto. Instead of a day when he break the bond of a motor and family. A chose way frustrate that effort. Go that motor. That is wickedness. Yes, I am telling you now. That is wickedness. That is wickedness. Be careful of jealous colleagues. They kill faster than cancer. They are worse than HIV. Yes, they are worse than HIV. Na opposite direction. If one equal na like hokoya deme. If one equal na like hokoya like. Onyo one equal na like hokoye moy. Onyo one complain no nya ameru ife efunya na the next day. Any single thing na irritate you, yahu his favorite or her favorite. Run. 140. He or she is indirectly trying to tell you that you don't have a choice. That you shouldn't even have a choice for yourself. Yes. I'm telling you. 80% of my life misfortune came from my friends. Friendship does not work for me. Friendship does not work for me. Even some family members are worse. I don't like getting too close to people these days. Exactly. My enemies' enemies become their friends. Thank you, Alex. I talked about this last time in the program. And they will quickly tell you, do you want your enemies to become my enemies? The other day. But the fact remains that why you the moment your friend they complain about okeke, the next day good okeke will if you go okeke discuss we yes unu jimaka emeka we wulo echini inekwa o discuss o maka Paul odokwa attached to Paul immediately enough here na ewopu anya anything he despised in this life koye alike ese na like omega chicken your favorite here ese na like your spider ogba no spider your favorite here ese na like your Samsung o deny you onwe iPhone or like it so ko we na use Samsung if any ese na like your first stack also no na first stack o best ebe madu ye bi if phone na like you no wa your favorite here because you are welcome your favorite here. Yes, he or she will always want to make you feel like your decision is not always the best for you. That you don't even have the right to decide anything for you. Don't forget. Oh God, I'll end this broadcast now. I'll come back again. Yes. I'll end this broadcast now. I'll come back again for this broadcast. I'll complete this broadcast this night. This program, I'll conclude it this night. Be very careful. Be watchful. Watch your back. Yes. Not all that glitters is gold. Not all that glitters is gold. Yes. Out there, though, crowded with darkness. So be careful so that people are dim your light. If you complain about someone after discussion, he called the person on phone. Exactly. Exactly. Chukwemeka Samuel, thank you, sir. Exactly. If you need discuss, a complain about somebody, if you know, and he's not even there to make peace. Nyasi wonye ya dasi about good things about onya. Ine ekuzi bad things onya meru nyawa. In fact, they even defend your enemies in your presence. Just to make you feel like you are stupid. Imagine ebe your friend they defend onya omaho. Ni hugo guna ya na eme. Omaho wonya aho okwo enyigo. Oho enyi ye okwo enyigu. On a defend this year, command for ages. Be careful. Be careful. To them, you are always wrong. You are never right. Be careful. If you call them for a witness, I go sorry. How will na basha witness ya jewenga or you do free? Nenga or kwangam poloka. Very, very careful. Be very, very careful. A jealous friend is more deadly than any virus, even COVID-19. A jealous friend is more deadly than a COVID-19. Watch out. You will know them. It is not a rocket science. You will know them. Sometimes allow your instinct to guide you. Yes. Allow your instinct to guide you. Thank you, Alex Ogwa. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. I still remember your favorite days ago. I'm coming back again to conclude this topic. Stay tuned. I'm coming back this night to conclude this topic. Kobasta Mala Emma. Equally Savarantime Okafor. Thank you very much. This is Empire Nukuwani. Nyawamoto Ubiko Hasino Kalon. Onye lukwa ya jedokwa na local na enya brand new motor goro ha igolu unu asino mortgage jeme mortgage ya icho hibi na your own house, so you don't want to enjoy the luxury of your own house. For the fact that na anya second hand motor go say if you go new one ni eje go brand new one, why nature he with the first owner? He say they like he use Belgium phone, why he enjoy either use Belgium motor? It's a neha like you use Belgium phone. Then I like you go brand new phone. Can if you enjoy either use Belgium motor? It is because we all can afford that Belgium motor at this time. Yes, it's a brand new one or the order. Or the one new order. So if you go to the angle, not do easy. Madi jacket top on island na motor. If you go peluno, very angle. Oruzie enyi umwesie nnukwu aṅụrụ ike na onye enyi nwoke nwere uno nwere ike manya atụ na standard of uno, o nwere ike echi niile uno inwe accommodation problem ọ onye one room somewhere ịnọ ilu onwe thank you eziokwu sọsọ ịnọ ilu onwe na-enwere aṅụrị my dear, we bought Lexus but we paid down $30,000 and loaned the rest. So it's not easy. $30,000. Is it a small money? Ngumwe $10,000 na say no onye gotara moto kwuru $30,000 ntinana no car loan. Mani mo $30,000 ihe ji wee me project. Yeah. Onwe ife mmadụ achieve no wa dizi. Onwe ife mmadụ achieve no wa dizi. Inwe $10,000. Mana onye woje $30,000 je debe na ntinana. We buru moto na loan. Enye kwa opportunity ya yeme nwe. Enye that privilege. O nwere onye yawo. Moto a na-ele 50 million. Igwe anya wotazie 20 burie. Ihe buru ni kwe. Ifuzi onye agwa anya wota 20 burie ese ọdụ mma ọpụta ọ na-eko. Akwari moto mma Mr. Okafor gwara anya wota 1 million buru. Agba wota 500,000 ye bu nwe. I nwere the money. So you should be happy. Not do easy no hope that 1 million. Or do easy na opportunity out piano. Omit more up with that opportunity. Yes. Or do easy. A lot of people opportunity do as little as something abego to them. They lost it not by their or blow by their no if actual, but they meet more up and don't want anything how you make about it. Allow that opportunity or God. So you should be happy. And if you fall na mado achieve no one. Stop being a jealous friend. Come here to jealous about your friend. Can you terminate that friendship for your mental health? Yes. Obulu na go na mado na awe. Mana success onya na intimidate you. Success onya na irritate you. For the sake of your mental health, quit that friendship. For you, you are hurting yourself the more. You are denying yourself opportunity to learn from people who are more better than you. I've said it. So many people in Iwaji today are the people you're supposed to learn from to be a better person. You should be learning from them. You should be learning their skills. You should be seeking for update from them. But because of your jealousy, you cannot open up. You cannot open up. You will not even want to learn. You always want to tell that person that you know better, and yet you are not producing the result. The person is producing result. Yes, the result is speaking Nebonyano, but you, nobody is seeing anything. Yes. Ability to learn from people who are better than you is something. Ability to learn. Ask questions from people who know better than you. Yes. Onye ajuju adefu uzo. Isi ebe anyalu moto jebe Imo State. Osukwa nya wo na ebe na acho wo keke family na mgbidi. For as long as ị na-ajụ ụzọ, ihe funata ụzọ. Take it from me. Ihe funata ụzọ. And yet, gagido lueba. A friend of mine na Zambia, onye Enugu State. Obiabo na my house before. But from discussion, when I know together na Zambia, could you locate my house? But so I'm not been at my house. Oh, I'm not at Ishi. I was waiting. Isiagu, go up on the phone. The next thing, Melo. No, my house. Say na ase. Osim no, my house. Say na ase. Osim okay, mo bataba. Bataba potafie. Mo na ewe no cha aka na joya. Keluki is we locate my house. Owesim ona mo na ya ha abazin kata. Na ma go get one or two things now. No if you no go you locate my house. You got to go. Pay attention. You gotta go. Pay attention. Pay attention. I'll end this broadcast here. Make sure I talk back. I will conclude this topic. But I use something else. We could this topic. We conclude. Go we balance here. Eh? Until me shigato zo ko basta mala imma dalon